Very good evening. In today's video, we are going to discuss some important Power BI questions. The first question is, what data sources have you worked with in Power BI? It means what data sources we have used in our reports. I have used with various types of data sources in my uh, sales dashboard. The common data sources include Excel, SQL Server, CSV files, and Azure SQL Server. Along with these data sources, I have also used Snowflake, Snowflake data source in my Power BI report. The Power BI supports nearly 100 plus data sources uh, to import the data into Power BI. Example, I work with sales data stored in Excel spreadsheets, ASQL Server database, and CSV files exported from the CRM systems. After connecting to the data sources into Power BI, we can import the data into from various data sources into a single file by using append and merge options. What is a data set in Power BI? A data set is a collection of data used to create visualizations. So, for creating visualizations, we must use data set. It contains a collection of data. It can be combined and filtered from different sources using built-in connections. By using built-in connectors, we can combine and filter the data from different sources. After combining of data, it is called as data set. The sales data set might include data from sales transactions, customer records, and product details, all combined to provide a comprehensive view of sales performance. So, uh, I have used a data set to create my sales data set. Can we import data directly into Power BI service? Yes, data can be imported directly into Power BI service using the Get Data option. We can connect to any data source by using this Get Data option. Sales domain example. I can import the sales data directly into Power BI service from the cloud-based sales database. By using the cloud-based sales database, I have imported the sales data to the Power BI. What is the difference between a calculated column and a measure in Power BI? So, both calculated column and measure are created by using math functions. If there is a difference between them, the calculated columns are created based on the existing columns with functions and stored in the model. So while measures are dynamic expressions calculated on the fly and do not occupy memory. So calculated columns are created based on the existing columns with functions and stored in the model. If we create calculated column, they occupy the space in data model. So measures are not sta- uh, static, they are dynamic expressions calculated on the fly, but they do not occupy any space in the memory. That means they don't store in the table. We can see the calculated column, but we cannot see the measure, but the result of measures you can see. A calculated column might be used to calculate the sales margin for each transaction, while a measure could dynamically calculated total sales for the selected period. So I have created the calculated column and measure for calculating the sales margin for each transaction and measure for calculating the total sales for the selected period. So these are the difference between calculated column and measure. What is the purpose of the M language in Power BI? The M language means mashup language used in Power Query for data transformation. It is a case-sensitive functional language similar to other programming languages. So it is like a programming language. It is case-sensitive. That means uh, there is a difference between uh, lower and upper characters. A sales analyst can use M-language to transform raw sales data by changing column names, removing unnecessary columns, and matching data from different sources. So, by using this M-language, I have transformed the raw sales data by changing column names and removing unnecessary columns and matching data from different data sources. So, these are the this is about the purpose of M-language in Power BI. That means the steps we have, the transformations applied in the Power Query are stored in a M language. By using M language, we can know the what are the transformations we have changed to our original source data. By using this M language, we can know them, and by using query folding method, we can uh, transforming them back into the data source. So by using this method, all the transformations are done in the source system. That means they decrease the load on the Power BI. It is one of the query performance uh, technique. So these are the today's Power BI interview questions. I hope this video helps to you to know more about Power BI interview questions. So in today's video, we have discussed data sources used in my project and definition of data set. Uh, can we import directly data into Power BI service and difference between calculated column and measure purpose of the and language. I hope this video helped you to know more about this. Thank you.